Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into Meta AI on Facebook, exploring its features, and learning how to make the most of it. Be sure to stick around until the end, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Meta AI in Facebook is a game changer, bringing advanced artificial intelligence capabilities right to your social media platform. With Meta AI, you can engage with sophisticated chatbots driven by state-of-the-art algorithms and machine learning techniques. This integration offers a range of benefits, from dynamic conversations to personalized interactions within the app. But what exactly can the Meta AI chatbot do? Let's take a closer look. Designed to understand and respond to user queries, the Meta AI chatbot offers a more interactive and human-like experience. It learns from each interaction, refining its responses over time to ensure accuracy and understanding with every conversation. Now, let's dive into how to use this powerful feature. Using the Meta AI chatbot on Facebook is incredibly straightforward. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or log into your account on your computer. Step 2. Access Messenger. Navigate to Facebook Messenger. You can do this by tapping the Messenger icon at the top of the app or opening the separate Messenger app if you have it installed. Step 3. Start a new chat. Begin a new conversation by tapping the new message icon. You can start a chat with an individual, a group, or directly with the Meta AI chatbot. Step 4. Activate Meta AI chatbot. To engage Meta AI, type @ in the message box. You'll see a list of options appear. Select Meta AI from the list, then type your question or request. Meta AI will provide you with a response swiftly. Step 5. Generate AI images. If you want to generate an AI image, type @ and select SL Imagine. Describe the image you want and hit send. The chatbot will create an image based on your description. Step 6. Search and chat with Meta AI. Another way to access Meta AI is by searching for Meta AI directly in the Facebook search bar. Tap on it to open a chat and start interacting with the AI for personalized answers to your queries. Benefits of using Meta AI on Facebook. Meta AI and Facebook are revolutionizing the way we engage with chatbots, making conversations more intuitive, personalized, and useful. With Meta AI, you can get instant answers to your questions, generate custom AI images, enjoy more engaging and dynamic interactions. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below.